Good morning, students. See, children, can you see here one picture? Yes. Just see the picture and recall what it is there. Means just see and say what it is here. Here are some trees and the two girls are swinging. Some birds are there. Now, children, come on, tell me some names of the trees. Do you know? Yeah. Yes. What are that? Yes. Banana tree. Then mango tree. Banyan tree. And so on. Okay. Many more. Etc. Then let us see how trees are useful for us in our daily life. Here is the poem for you in Unit 2, that is, see, trees. Here you see, children, I read the poem here. Just see the poem. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swings on. Trees are for the winds to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. See, trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mother say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Trees make father say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall." See, this poem is written by Shirley Bayer. See, just now you see, children, I'll explain you this poem about. Here you see in the first line, trees are for bird. You know, children, trees give shelter for birds and animals. Trees are for children. Why trees are for children? Yes, trees are for children because under the tree the children play. They put a swings and they'll play the swings. Even the children play the plays under the tree shade. Trees are to make tree houses in. See, tree houses in means if the trees are there the birds can make their houses in the trees there. There are two swings on. See, two swings on means here you see the two swing means the tying swing to the tree and the girls are swinging. Trees are for the winds to blow through. See, if no trees, the wind it blows but not fastly. See, through the trees we get fresh air. Even the animals and the birds get the air, fresh air for breathing. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. See, the children play. What do they play? They play the hide and seek by hiding behind the trees. Trees are to have tea parties under. Have you seen, children? Some of the peoples, they go by evening to the parks or wherever the trees are there, farms are there. They have the tea parties under the trees there. So, you know, children, how the trees are useful for a person or people. Trees are for kites to get caught in. See, the children get, when the children get trouble from the trees there, when they flies the kites, when the kites get caught into the trees there. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. See, under the tree in summer season, if we sit, we get a cool breeze there. If no trees, we doesn't get a cool breeze. We feel hot in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. See, why the trees they doesn't make a shade in winter, no shade in winter? Why? Because in the winter season, in the autumn season, the trees leaves fell down, means the tree's leaves began to fall. Trees are for apples to grow and on and pears. See, many trees are there. Even the trees give shade, shelter, house, and from the trees we can make that what old and dead trees. They chop the trees, means they cut down the trees. They'll make the doors, furnitures, and here the trees also give us fruits. Many fruits we get from the trees. For example, here apples, pears, banana, mango, etc. Trees are to chop down and called timber. Timber means what? What the old trees are cut down and the chop out the means chop the log from the trees. It called it as timber. Kattige. So what it is used for? It is used for to make the what windows, doors, furniture, to build a house. It is very useful. And even what do you sit in the classroom? The benches, table, chair, everything is made up of wood there. Trees make mothers say. See, mothers, why do the mothers like tree? Because what a lovely picture to paint. Mother, why do they love that tree? Because to paint a picture of the tree. Trees make father say. What the father say about the tree here? What a lot of leaves to rake this fall. See, means what the father do? See, outside of the house, if the trees are there in winter, autumn season, the dried leaves fallen down. So to gather that leaves, rake means what here? That is a kind of broom. To swipe out the trees, to sweep the leaves of the trees. The father say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. It has fallen there. To gather it is very difficult. I hope you all understood the poem about the trees, how it is useful to a man, animals, children, and how the mother and father say about the trees. Here this poem is written by Shirley Bayer, explaining about the trees there.